WWE Royal Rumble 2019 results and match card. Rusev versus Shinsuke Nakamura for the United States Champion. The winner of this match and the new United States Champion, Shinsuke Nakamura. Buddy Murphy versus Kalisto versus Akira Tozawa versus Hideo Itami for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match and still the Cruiserweight Champion, Buddy Murphy. Asuka versus Becky Lynch for the for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining her SmackDown Women's Champion, Asuka. The Bar versus Shane McMahon and The Miz for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match and the new SmackDown Tag Team Champions, Shane McMahon and The Miz. Ronda Rousey versus Sasha Banks for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the Raw Women's Champion, was Ronda Rousey. Nikki Cross, the Women's Royal Rumble. This match included Nikki Cross, Naomi, Alexa Bliss, Bayley, Nia Jax, Charlotte Flair, Lacey Evans, Carmella, and 22 more women. The winner of this match, entering at number 28, was Becky Lynch. Daniel Bryan versus AJ Styles for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match and the new WWE Champion, Daniel Bryan. Retaining his WWE Champion, sorry about that. Brock Lesnar versus Finn Balor for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match, retaining his Universal Champion, was Brock Lesnar. 30-man Royal Rumble. This match included Samoa Joe, Dean Ambrose, Randy Orton, Braun Strowman, Seth Rollins, Elias, Baron Corbin, and Bobby Lashley. The winner of this match, entering at number 10, was Seth Rollins. That's it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.